that? The one? The one? Hi ka muna dali. Hi! Ano yun? May hinihingi siya, hindi ko alam kung ano. Ano yun, baby? Ay, naughty na pala talaga ako. Ano yun, baby? What is it? Vitamins? What is it? May hinihingi siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano hinihingi niya. Ano po yung hinihingi mo? Dali na. What do you want? Na-up. Which one? Which one? Hala, ano kaya hinihingi? Ah, alam ko na. Bigyan kita na ito. Bigyan ko nga to siya. You want this one? Yeah, come here. Come here. Hi. Okay, let me open. Galing ako sa shop nila, mama. Opo. Sa shop nila, mama. Sa shop lang.
I wanna hold it.
No, just one. There you go. Are you happy? Yeah? You happy? Yummy? Yeah? You want this one? Yeah. Ang sarap na ito. Grapefruit yun. Yummy? Yummy? Si Joshua, bumili siya nito. Bumili siya nito. Nag-sale siya sa ano eh. Sa, tawag doon, sa JB Hi-Fi. Tapos bumili rin siya ng camera. Tapos doorbell namin. Papalitan namin. Doorbell! How are you?
Doorbell?
Yep. Yeah. Wait lang. Hi, wait lang, baby. Malaglag ka, baby.
Hello.
Hello. Sabi mo, hello.
Hello.
Malaglag ka po, ah. Ayan. 3 camera. Tapos may doorbell. You like this one? Yeah? Unboxing natin ito.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Doorbell.
Yeah. This one is cameras. Hinintay niya ako na buksan daw eh. Para daw makita. Kasi galing ako sa shop eh. Nila mama. Tapos galing pala sila doon. Tinawagan niya ako. Anong oras daw ako uuwi. Sabi ko maya-maya. Meron daw siya sa aking surprise ito. Kasi gusto ko itong bumili eh. Sabi niya, Me, I have a surprise for you. Nakita niya, bumili daw siya nito. Thank you. Yummy, ah?
What's that photo?
Opo. Ang sarap no. Gusto yan na kayo din, syempre.
Oh, heart.
Why?
Heart it out.
What happened?
Heart it out. I want to show mommy.
Okay. Wow. What's inside?
Another
Chocolate. Yummy. Yeah.
more.
More. Holo, holo.
This is more.
Tingnan ko nga kung may labahan ako dito. Wala. Akala ko may naiwan akong labahan dito sa washing. Dinryer siguro ni Joshua. Kahapon. Ay.
More tree.
Yung mo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, miss ko yan siya eh. Baby ko yan oh.
Mom, sit in the chair.
How old are you now?
3
3 years old.
I didn't ask you.
How old are you?
A tree.
3. Are you going to school next year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to a nana.
School with Nono?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
That daddy.
Yep. Hug mommy first. Dali na.
Wanna sit there?
Dali na.
Wanna sit in the
Okay.
chair?
Malaglag ka ah. Anin ko daw yung ano, password. Nag-outside ka kanina, baby, with daddy. Lumabas daw sila kanina eh. Papiin natin yung mga damit dito, baby. Mag-inom ka muna tubig, dali na. Please. Ah, dali na.
I'm not doing.
Ka. Inom mo na tubig.
2.
Anong gagawin natin? Ilagay natin sa ano? Ay, saan ilalagay?
Here.
Ayan.
Where's the green?
Green.
Oh. They're hard.
What's your name?
I'm 10.
How old are you now?
I'm 2. I never had that.
What is that?
I had.
Yung mga nilalaro ni Kaden yung mga mahirap talaga
I
eh.
never had that.
Tapos may inis siya.
I never had that.
Hmm?
I had that.
Buksan natin to, bebe.
Ito, mommy.
Buksan ko nga. Layo ka, bebe. Baka matamaan ka. No.
Where's going?
Open po natin.
Where's the doorbell?
Opo. Ano, ang ganda niya. Ang bigat niya.
I need
Hi.
top.
Opo.
I need the doorbell.
Opo. Parang may laman pa siya. Ay, ang mga ano niya.
Battery.
Battery. Set up yan ni Joshua mamaya.
I need battery too.
Opo. Ang cute niya, baby.
No, pinto.
Sa pinto. Para sa pinto, no?
Wow.
Opo. Ay, wag mo touch yung lens.
Wow.
Opo. Ito yan. Dito yung kiniklik, oh. Yan.
Wow.
Opo.
Battery.
Battery. It's flat daw.
I need.
Opo. Wag yan, baby. Para sa ano yan?
I need the battery.
Opo.
I need the battery.
Ay, battery daw.
Oh, I put on. It does.
Ang cute niya. Ang laki niya.
I put.
Pero ito siya, ano eh.
Battery. Battery.
Battery. Ano, paano kaya siya i-ano
I'm
sa
gonna
ano?
do it.
Oh.
There's the battery. This one.
Nice.
This one. This, mommy.
Plus add on.
I need this
Ah,
one.
okay.
This one.
Yeah, but this one is sharp. No need this one.
Huh? Hey,
Charger.
I need the
Cable,
touch.
yeah?
I need that from me. That's for my iPad.
Uy, that's not for your iPad. That one is for this. Yeah? That's not for your iPad, Kaden.
A harder.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes,
I need this here.
Apa.
I need cutter.
Need a cutter. Malaglag ka, baby. Malaglag. Kunin mo yun. Kunin mo muna yun. Malaglag ka. Matapon po yun, baby. Kunin mo dali. Matapon. Yeah, thank you. Ito, open natin to.
Not the camera.
Yeah.
Not the camera.
Layo, baby. Layo. Layo. Kasi maano kita.
Mommy, it's sharp.
Yeah, it's sharp. Yeah.
You strawberry too.
Paano siya?
I think done.
Yeah.
Cat here.
Wow. Ang laki.
I need battery.
Opo.
These were for the battery.
Yeah. Ang bigat. Hi.
I'm not saying.
It's heavy.
Me?
Camera.
Also for the camera and how?
Yeah. For the house. Baby, ibalik natin si Daddy magkabit niyan. Meron kaming ano eh. Yung wired siya na CCTV camera. Pero hindi pa nakakabit ni Joshua.
Oh, you too.
Binili namin last year. Hindi pa nakakabit. Kaya ito, bumili na lang siya ng wireless. Ha? Yummy. Yummy. Yeah. Hello.
Okay.
Hi. Punta kaming Bunnings. You okay? Yeah.
We'll get that drill bit in there. That need one to clean the gutters. That got a lot to do with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got like half the 6 foot.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Hi. Grabe.
Check I mentioned him getting hurt. He stopped.
Very good ang bibi ni Mama ah. Naantok na yan si Kaden eh. Hi.
Your dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
I
Hi.
want my tower.
Pa?
Oh, we're running. Oh, Daddy, there's a dinosaur. Run.
Run.
Run, the dinosaur.
It's hot now, yeah?
Yes. Albany never make its mind up.
Hi. What happened? Hindi to siya natulog ng hapon. No, baby, no. Baby. No, baby. Seryoso masyado. Oh. Ano mo? Kami sa labas. Hi.
I'm bored.
Wait, agay isang. Favorite talaga ito ni Kaden. Oh. Kaya niya talaga ubusin yung isang ganto. Wait lang, baby.
There it is.
Ayun.
Oh, I am tempted to get out.
Ayun kami ng ano, lunch namin. Oh, yan. Yeah, perfect. Nag-order kami ng take-away. Sa akin, ano, Japanese. Wow. Yummy. Tapos bumili rin ako ng crackers. Kinain na namin. Kay Joshua wraps.
Okay, yes. Come on, let him get. You want to eat that? Eat some. What's this?
Gutom na kami. Na may cheese. Kain na, bebe.
I'll get you.
Kain.
Some cutlery, some plates.
Kain tayo. Gutom na.
Careful.
I'll think about it. Is that the correct answer?
No. Ito masarap to eh.
Better?
Pakainin ko kasi kayo dyan. Masa yan.
Daddy, I love it.
You want some? I'll cut a bit off.
Okay.
Mommy, Mama, Mama,